Hello, everyone. Welcome again to the Solution Foundation YouTube channel. We're coming to you once again with some flyers and some opportunities that we have open out there for the Ghanaian public to share with us your opinions. And in terms of this one, we are very much open to receiving calls from the Ghanaian public about if we can change their mind so that they can consider part their country first and not party first. So if you're interested in this opportunity, you can call us. Call us, call us, call us. The phone number is 233-50291-8016. So this is a Ghanaian number. It's a telecell number, so you can call us on this number. We just want to discuss how we can put Ghana first. Ghana first, Ghana first. We just want to put the country first. The possibility of us seeing things from the perspective of somebody who is passionate about the country and not about being passionate about a political party. You should be passionate about your country first. Like we said in our previous videos, we're trying to promote peace, peaceful mind, peaceful elections when it comes to Ghana's election in December. So if we can change your minds, this flyer was created like when it was 50 days to the election, so that's why we have 50 days to election. Don't forget, you can connect with us via a regular call, so that's the phone number on your screen, or you can just send us a WhatsApp message. We can help change your mind so you can be more policy minded, not political minded, or be policy minded, not party minded. So we can engage in some constructive dialogues, constructive discussions that will prioritize Ghana's future over any party loyalty. So here, your voice matters. We just want to have a peaceful discussion of how you can also discuss with other people um, before and during and after the elections where tempers are high, emotions are very high during that time. It's because it's a few days to the election and people are very desperate. So just words can trigger people. So we want to learn how to discuss different ways that we can promote um, a peaceful election, um, so where we put the country first. So if you're interested, hey, call us. Call us on 508, sorry, 502-918016. We're ready to receive your call, discuss what you're thinking about the election, how we can help you get to that part of being a country conscious person and not just a party conscious person. So we're available. Can we change your mind? Can we change your mind? If we can, give us a call. You can call us on WhatsApp or just put in a regular call, and we will be excited to have you. Thank you again for listening to us. We're just promoting some of our flyers out there, our programs that we put on Instagram. We're trying to promote them on YouTube also, since our YouTube page is now very active. Um, let's join this fun and exciting activity that the Kluchi Foundation is hosting. We hope to see you, or we hope to hear you. Call us. Have a great weekend. Bye.